We are now at Oak Point Park, where the spectacular 4-day Plano Balloon Festival kicks off today, September 18, and runs through the 21st. I'm Naveen, and welcome back to another festive episode of Tind and Travel.
Okay.
Already blown it my first night on the night. What a
See this?
outstanding boy are coming here.
Yeah.
Only a fourth grader.
Should try funnel cakes.
Yes.
A moment ago, we'll be here on the Fox 4 main stage.
Orchestra.
Educate, entertain, and involve the children, youth, and adults evening. I can't wait.
It's cloudy weather, right?
Yeah.
Good that no sun.
Player and still a baseline before that gets started. Following the end of the concert is this year BMW and Thomas J. Henry. And
This is the
Yep.
4th year we are coming, right?
Yep.
For the balloon festival.
The fire triangle consists of heat, fuel, and what?
Oxygen.
Yeah, there you go. All right, you can pick whatever you want.
So what is this? Nice.
It's a squishy.
Yeah. Nice.
And then let us know what color you get. And then ask you a question. If you like on the park in a normal day.
No.
Time to go before it gets really
You want to tell me?
Firework is sponsored by BMW.
Yay. Daddy, labubus.
What is that?
Labubus are sold in that stall.
Uh-huh.
The labubus, the thing that Angad said.
Oh.
The ugly dolls.
Oh, that one, right?
Yeah. Now I want one. Yay! Labubus.
Hmm. This one, right?
Yeah, those are all labubus. Love.
That is hot balloon.
First one.
Yes.
I'll be back around. Okay.
Yeah, one. Nice.
Creamy.
To me. It is about to start. It will start exactly at 7:30. Today is the first day of the famous spectacular Plano Balloon Festival. Going for a ride?
Yes.
Which ride?
The fun slide.
Amba is there inside.
Yeah.
You can see, right? Enjoying the ride.
This year the unicorn is there. Patrol! It's Chase from Paw Patrol. The blue guy. My childhood is coming back to life. That's Chase from Paw Patrol. It's golden hour.
It will take some more time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It should be dark. When it is dark, all the balloons will start blowing and glowing.
Yeah.
We never miss this event, right?
Yeah.
Such a fantabulous event. Plano Balloon Festival.
The rainbow balloon is new. Yeah.
Rainbow? Yeah.
The white and rainbow one. I've never seen that one before.
They're so good. It'll take some time.
Yeah.
Some more time.
The Chick-fil-A is glowing, not anymore. Now it's glowing.
HEB is picking up.
HEB is picking up.
See? That I like. Okay.
Yeah, the blue one.
Also, it's almost same.
Oh, that is also new, right?
Yeah, I think so. I need to.
I think that one is also new.
So the night and chapter for Buffering is our corner.
Believing in the power of music and the arts. I know.
Great weekend, and you guys know what you're doing because this is a great night to come, watch the balloon glow, and listen to the Plano Symphony Orchestra play. This is going to be a fabulous evening, and on behalf of the city of Plano,
You know what you're looking for?
Yeah,
One? One?
I'll think about it.
Going to take that?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead.
I got the Labubu.
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 a tune called Facey, straight ahead.
Hi.
I tried so not to give in. I said to myself, I ain't gonna go. Just the thought of you makes me stop. To reality.
Good job.
Seems to whisper and hush. Can I just make some more?
There we go.
Ready for ball?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
The city of Plano for having us play. It's been such a joy.
Last 2 years it was drone show, but this year it is back to fireworks display. Today's fireworks display is sponsored by BMW. We had a fantastic evening. With this, we are ending another fantabulous episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.